Hi, my name is Tigran. I'm a small business owner. I would like to give Amazon EC2 a rating of 5. For more reviews, click below. I did not really use any comparable product before I switched to Amazon EC2. So my main goal was to find some simple solution for my website, for hosting my website, and to host my server on which I would run a program that would collect some public information and package it into a database. So I thought about actually installing some real server and managing it myself. But then I realized that we now live in 21st century, and there are probably some cloud solutions. And Amazon EC2 was the best solution for me. It was very comparable in functionality to a real hardware server, but also provided a bunch of good options, and it was also very reliable and not very expensive. I chose Amazon EC2 because first of all, it's a reliable service, so there is no downtime basically. Second, price. You don't need to have any upfront costs with hardware and maybe a team that will manage it, or maybe your own resources and time. Also, I like that I could transfer my knowledge of working with actual hardware servers into this particular product almost without any additional training. And finally, I like that I could use all the same libraries, basically Python libraries, to write a code that would run there. And also I could use all the same scheduling programs like crontab. That was a great way to start. It turned out to be a little bit more difficult to start working with this product than I expected. And the reason is actually there is the entire new language and set of products. So you first have to learn about all basic products that Amazon Web Services provides. And you have to go to some YouTube tutorials that explain to you how to set them up and how to run them properly. And then you actually have to go to AWS documentation website, and some of the features are not really well documented. So I would say that it took me a little bit of upfront time and learning, maybe 2 hours or so, maybe 3 hours. But after that, it's actually pretty easy to navigate. You just have to get accustomed to the concepts they use, because they have their own language that they use to explain all the features and all the products. My recommendation for starting working with EC2 is simple. You can go to AWS website and find some trial products. So they have a bunch of products that are available for free for the first year. Some of the products are actually free forever, but it's a different story. It really depends on what you want to do. So EC2 actually has a free 1-year trial for their T2 micro instance. So I would recommend just going there and installing this instance, or including this into your AWS framework, and you can start playing with it. You can install a website or whatever code you want to run. You can try to improve it, and if you like it, you will be rolled over into a paid subscription after 1 year. But this 1 year for a developer is a really good thing, because you don't have to pay anything from the very beginning. So you just try it and see if you like it.